Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. So I have started a new journey on Hallelujah Bass Lesson Challenge. Okay, so this is where I go to our very own minister Nathan Abasi Hallelujah Challenge, where he has been singing a lot of songs, different kind of worship, praises, groove, and all those kind of things. Then I'll pick some of these songs and do on YouTube, and also provide some of those lessons to my private student. Okay, so this is the first lesson. Okay, so I want you to join me on this journey so that by the end of some few years to come, you'll be able to play very good. Okay, I also do private class lesson. If you are interested, you see the link in the comment section below. As you're about to learn what I am to teach you on YouTube, I have also a different groove on private videos. Okay, so click on the link and DM me on WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the breakdown. The song we'll be using for this lesson will be available for you to download. So you just watch the video, you see a pop-up that will pop up over here. Click on it, it will take you to where you can download the song. It is free. Okay, so let's listen to the song and let me break down what I played for you. Okay, so this is a very nice song on key B flat. The progression on this goes like this: 1 4 4 5 5 1. So this is a 1 4 5 progression. Okay, so what I played was very simple. And remember that when you are playing a simple worship song, you see, if you can hear very well, I went with a kick. 1 2 2 2 2 2. You understand? So the bass note on that is 1 to my 4 progression. So I do 3 4, then to my 5 I do a 2 5, then 7 1. Okay, so what I did here, instead of me playing on the 1, I did it on the 3. Okay, so do. So this is a very nice pass note to your 3. So when you're done playing 5 7 1 2 4 3 2 4 3, then you'll be going to the 4 1 4 6 5 7 1. You understand? So when you play all of it together, it sounds this way: 1 3 4 2 5 7 1 to your 3 progression. 2 4 3 1 4 2 5 7 1. So you'll be going to the 3 again. You can do this nice passing note to your 3. You can do it. Okay, so it goes like this. On your 3rd shape, you have your 5 6 5, then 4 3. You can also start from the 2nd shape: 5 6 5 4 3, then 1 3 4, then 2 5 7 1. You understand? So if you want to play it here, that is 5 6 5 4 3 1 3 4, or you can just do 1 4 2 5 7 1. Okay, so 7 1. You see, there is a very nice feel to your 3. 1 da, da, da. So it goes like this. When you play your root 1, your 5th, you play your 2. So before you play your 2, you do it this way. So 1 2 1 2, you shake on the 2. Okay, 1 5 1 2 1 5 3, then to your 4 2 5 5 1. So 3 4 6 4 3 2 3 4 6 5 5 1. Okay, Okay, when you want to start, so bam, 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 ba-da-da-da-da, da-da. So learn this. This is on the 1, then 4, 2, 5, 5, 1. Okay, so the fill taking you to the root. 5, 6, 1, 6, 5, 2, 1. Then 3, 4, 2, 5. Okay, but when I play 3, 5, this is something like this: 1, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5. You can learn that: 4, 3, 2, 6, 5, 7, 1. Okay. So to your 3, 5, 6, 1, 6, 5, then 4, 3, 1, 4, 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7, 1. Okay. So and your glory you'll be doing on the 3, then to your 4. You understand? But I played. It's very simple. When you start from your 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have your 6, and you have your 4 sharp. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sharp on that E string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sharp. So you play the down note and your 4 sharp. There's the heavy note. Okay, so you have your 6, 4 sharp. So as you're on these 2 notes, descend a half step. Okay, you understand? So you have your 6 flat and you have your 4. You understand? And descend again a half step. So you have your 5 and your 3, taking to the 3 progression. So you understand? Okay. So when you don't play 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 5, 7, 1. Okay. So just like the first one: 1, 5, 1, 2, 1, 5, 3. Okay. So what I played here was a little tricky if you don't take time to learn it. Okay. Okay, so 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 1, then 7, 1, 4, 5, 6. Then you have your 2 flat and your 2, 4 sharp and your 5, 7, 1. Okay. Yeah, so 5, 6, 1, 1 sharp 2, then your 4 sharp 5, 7, 1. Okay. Seven, 1. Okay, so the song will be available for you to download. So I wish you good luck on your lesson. See you guys later.